Okay, children, method of elimination by equating coefficients. To understand this method in better way, we are taking one example: 3x plus 2y equal to 11 and 2x plus 3y equal to 4. Here we can make either the coefficients of x or the coefficient of y equal by multiplying with a suitable number. I have tried here to make the coefficient of y equal. So for that we first find the LCM of the coefficients of the variable y. So see, in first equation the coefficient of y is 2 and in the second equation the coefficient of y is 3. So find the LCM of 2 and 3, it is 6. Now if you, after finding the LCM of the coefficients of the variable y, we will try to make the coefficients of these two equations for y equal. So in first equation coefficient is 2 for y, so what should be multiplied with 2 to get LCM? 6. Obviously it is number 3. If we multiply 2 with 3, the product is 6. And similarly, when we multiply the coefficient in the second equation, in second equation you can see the coefficient of y is 3, so it is 3 into 2. If we multiply 3 with 2, we will get 6. So this is the process. So multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 will be multiplied with 2, so as to get equal coefficients of y. Here I have written 3x plus 2y equal to 11 and this is multiplied with 3, because we have to plan before we do multiplication which coefficient either of y or x, which coefficient of which variable is to be made equal. First you decide it. If you want to make the coefficients of variable x equal, you can do. Both are correct. Whichever is easier for you, you can do. So in the first equation here is multiplied with 3 and the second equation is multiplied with 2. So after multiplication we get 9x plus 6y. Here when you multiply each term of LHS and RHS with the number 3. So 3x is multiplied with 3 gives you 9x, and when 2y is multiplied with 3 we get 6y, and 11 is multiplied with 3 gives us 33. So in this way the product is found. Now when the second equation is multiplied with 2, we get 2 into 2 times means 4x, then 3y into 2, it is 6y, and 4, this 4 is multiplied with 2 equal to 8. So in this way we found the product of each term of the second equation when it is multiplied with 2. Now this is question, we have to subtract or add the two equation. This is very important, and I have told you in the algorithm that if the coefficients of the equated variable are in same sign, then subtract the two equations. Here you can notice that the coefficients of y is, in first equation it is plus, and in the second equation also it is plus. In both the equations the signs are same, plus and plus. So we are subtracting the second equation from the first one. So when we subtract, the sign of each term subtracted here is changed. We are subtracting the second equation, so the sign of each term of the second equation will be changed. So now the sign of 4x is minus 4x, it will be considered as minus. Then again here the sign of 6y was plus. Now after the changing of sign it becomes minus, and the sign of 8 is plus, so after changing it is minus. So all the signs will be changed. If they are in minus already, then after changing they will be in plus. So now 9x minus 4x, consider it as 9x minus 4x after changing the sign. So 9x minus 4x is equal to 5x, and 33 minus 8 is equal to 25. So we get a linear equation in one variable. This is a linear equation, 5x equal to 25. So x equal to 25 by 5 is equal to 5. So in this way we have found the value of the variable x. Now this value of x will be substituted in any of the two equations. Okay, so we have taken here equation 1, means we are putting the value of x equal to 5 in equation 1. See how it is done. Equation 1 is 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. This is equation 1, and we have already found the value of x. So put that value of x here. So 3 into x means 3 into 5. Okay, 3 into 5 plus 2y equal to 11. Now 3 into 5 is equal to 15, and this 15 is taken to the right side, becomes 11 minus 15 is equal to 4. This is how, sorry, 11 minus 15 is equal to minus 4. So minus 4, this is how minus 4 has come at the right side. So 2y equal to minus 4, and y equal to minus 4 upon 2, which is equal to minus 2. So in this way we found the values of x and y both. X equal to minus 5, sorry, x equal to 5, and y equal to minus 2. Okay, this is the solution for the given equation.